Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable LED light for your headphones STEELSERIES Arctis Nova 3. And to do this, at the right ear cup we have a button. So, right here, as you can see, I have the LED light, and to turn off them, you need to just slide up this slider. And as you can see, no LED light. If you slide down this slider, you will turn on this LED light. But if you did it and you still haven't the LED light, I recommend it to go to the STEELSERIES GG app and check is you turn on the LED light, maybe you turn off them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!